In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add emotions to AI voices on ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right voice, adjust the key settings, and write your script with punctuation and pauses so the ElevenLabs text-to-speech output sounds expressive and emotional. First, open text-to-speech. Log into your ElevenLabs account. On the dashboard, click Text-to-Speech to open the editor where you'll paste your script and control the voice settings. Next, choose the right voice. Some voices are naturally energetic, some are calm, some are deep and dramatic, and others are friendly and conversational. Pick a voice that already matches the emotion you want. This makes a big difference and reduces how much tweaking you need later. Click a voice to select it. Now, adjust the voice settings. Start by lowering stability. Stability controls how steady or varied the delivery is. Higher values, around 70 to 100%, keep the voice very steady but less emotional. Lower values, around 30 to 50%, allow more expressive variation and a natural feel. For emotion, set stability between 30 and 50%. Increase style or style exaggeration to push the voice to be more dramatic and expressive. Moving this higher adds emphasis and intensity. Use a medium to high setting for stronger emotion. Keep clarity balanced. If clarity is too high, the voice can start to sound robotic and overly crisp. Keep it moderate for a natural tone while still staying understandable. Once that's done, write your script with emotion. The AI follows your writing style closely, so how you punctuate and phrase the lines matters. I'll use punctuation for feeling. For example, instead of writing "this is unbelievable" with no punctuation, write "this is unbelievable" for excitement. Or write "this is unbelievable" to add a thoughtful pause and surprise. Use short, dramatic sentences to create tension. Type lines like "he walked in," then on the next line, "the room was silent," and then "too silent." Short lines help the voice deliver suspense with space to breathe. Add emotional words so the intent is clear. Instead of "I am sad," write "I'm completely heartbroken." Words like heartbroken, thrilled, terrified, relieved, or proud guide the voice toward the right emotional color. At this point, add pauses to shape the rhythm. Use commas for brief pauses, ellipses for longer, more dramatic breaks, and line breaks to separate ideas. For example, "our type," and then move to a new line and type "everything changed." These pauses tell the voice exactly where to slow down and let the moment land. From here, review your settings and text together. Check that stability sits between 30 and 50%. Style or style. Exaggeration is at a medium to high level, and clarity is set to a moderate value. Scan your script for strong punctuation, short expressive sentences, and clear emotional words. Small text edits often produce the biggest improvement in emotional delivery. As a quick guideline for an emotional voice, aim for stability around 35 to 45%. Keep style at medium to high. Use clear punctuation and lean on short, expressive sentences. This combination consistently produces an engaging emotional read. You've now added emotions to AI voices on ElevenLabs using the right voice choice, tuned settings, and an emotionally written script with intentional pauses. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.